How to get unlimited coupon codes for existing user on TEMU. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Now let's get started. You can open any of the browser and search for TEMU coupon code. With that, you're gonna get unlimited promo codes and coupon codes of TEMU, and all you have to do is copy it in this way. After you copy that, open your TEMU app. Here we go. You will land to the home page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of view. Now over here, you're gonna find different options. Go to the option coupons and offers, open that option. Now at the very top, you can see the search box. Over there, you have to enter the coupon code that you have just copied. After you enter the coupon code that you have just copied, you can tap on the apply, and with that, you will be good to go. So this is how you can get unlimited coupon code for existing user on TEMU. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.